Hello, welcome to Blackson. Today we'd like to create rain effect in Photoshop. Let's jump straight into it. So now navigate to Windows and then select Actions. Inside that, in case you didn't see any image effect, go and select image effect. Then the folder will show up here. Open that folder. Then you see light rain effect. Just select that light rain. Then go down and play that effect. Now you will see that the rain effect has been applied, but the intensity is low. So to increase that, we duplicate the layer to have more rain effect. So yeah, so the first layer on top, I just add a layer mask to it because I wanted the rain effect to be more or intense at where the sky is. Yes. And I duplicate the down layer again to make the rain effect more heavier. So this is it. So as you can see, you group all into one folder. You can name it rain folder. So now you are good to go. So this is before, this is after, before, after. Thank you very much.